Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to track detailed IP address information using an IP tracker tool directly from the terminal. This method is fast, lightweight, and doesn't require any browser tools or online websites. Everything runs straight from your command line. Before we begin, this video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. The tools and techniques demonstrated are intended for cybersecurity learning, ethical hacking, and network analysis. I do not promote illegal activity, unauthorized surveillance, invasion of privacy, or misuse of information. Tracking or analyzing an IP address without proper authorization may be illegal in your country. You are solely responsible for how you apply the information in this video. Always test only on systems or IP addresses you own or have explicit permission to analyze. Now, let's get started. First, you need to download IP Tracker Tool. You can download it using link in description. IP tracker tools are usually hosted on GitHub, so the first thing you do is clone the repository. Once the tool is downloaded, navigate into the Tools directory and type cmd. Press Enter. It will open Command Prompt window. Before running it, make sure all required dependencies are installed. After installing the requirements, you can launch the tool directly from the terminal. Now type Python IP tracer. Now hit Enter. When the tool starts, it displays a simple interface asking for an IP address. Now, enter the target IP address. This can be a public IP, a website IP, or an IP you already captured from logs or testing. Once you press Enter, the tool begins processing the request. In seconds, the terminal returns detailed information about the IP address. You'll see the country, region, and city associated with the IP. It also shows the ISP, organization name, and autonomous system number, latitude and longitude, time zone, and network type. All of this information is gathered using IP intelligence databases and RN sources. It's important to understand that IP tracking does not reveal someone's exact home address. It only provides approximate location and network details. This technique is commonly used in cybersecurity, penetration testing, network troubleshooting, and threat analysis. Ethical hackers use IP tracking to analyze suspicious traffic, detect attackers, and investigate logs, not for illegal activities. That's how you can track IP address information using an IP tracker tool directly from the terminal. If this video helped you understand IP tracking better, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Stay curious, stay ethical, and I'll see you in the next video.